Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best inflatable water slides that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Bounceland Jump and Splash Adventure. The Bounceland Jump and Splash Adventure combine an inflatable slide with a bounce house to the fun. Added to that, the Bounceland features a climbing wall to access the slide from the bounce house, along with an inflatable basketball hoop. Another great year-round play set, the Bounceland Jump and Splash Adventure can be used with water for those hot summer days or kept dry for those cooler autumn and spring days. It's suitable for both indoor as well as outdoor use. The large splash pool allows children to play undisturbed by those coming down the slide. This is particularly useful if you have smaller children playing alongside older kids. Bounceland recommends this product suitable for children ages 3 to 8 years, with a maximum of 3 kids, 300 pounds, on it at one time. If durability is what you're after, they made the Jump and Splash Adventure of laminated Oxford Terraline, a commercial-grade flooring that provides more bounce. It's also puncture-proof, with quadruple stitching along the seams. In terms of safety, the bounce house features high railings with large supporting columns and a strong and durable mesh enclosure. Bounceland also provides an extra slide cover that provides a smoother slide when using the slide without water. You can secure the Jump and Splash Adventure to the ground with 9-inch solid stakes, which Bounceland also provides. The inflatable water slide is a 0.7 HP, 4A blower with a 25 feet power cord and GFCI plug. You'll also get a water hose and nozzle, the extra Velcro attached slide cover, 9 inches ground stakes, a repair kit, an instruction manual, and a convenient large carrying bag. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Blast Zone Pirate Bay. If you're looking for an inflatable water slide with a bit more, then the Blast Zone Pirate Bay is what you need. Not only does it feature a slide, but a very spacious splash pool, 2 spray cannons, as well as a crawl tunnel leading to a bounce house. As the name suggests, the Blast Zone Pirate Bay is a fun pirate-themed inflatable water slide. Imaginative play is an integral part of child development, and this water slide lets your child transform their backyard into their very own fantasy pirate world. Ahoy me, hearties! Made to last, the Blast Zone Pirate Bay is made with commercial-grade vinyl. In the box, you'll receive the inflatable water slide, blower, storage straps, and instructions. Set up as a breeze, taking less than 2 minutes to inflate fully. Filling it with water takes between 1 and 2 hours. Blast Zone recommends a maximum of 5 kids playing simultaneously, 2 on the slide and 3 in the pool. It's suitable for toddlers and children aged between 36 months and 12 years. The Blast Zone recommends a max user weight as 100 pounds, with a maximum total weight of 500 pounds. With a floor space of 156 inches by 246 inches, and 96 inches in height, the Pirate Bay is the largest inflatable water slide on this list. While you probably won't set this up in your basement for the winter months, you can still replace the water and convert it to a ball pit even on the colder days. As it is large, it is also very heavy, weighing 85 pounds. For this reason, it's ideal for keeping it out for those week-long summer heatwaves rather than setting up and storing frequently. At number 3, we have the Bestway Tsunami Wave Summit Inflatable Water Park Play Center. Jam-packed with features, the Bestway Tsunami Wave Summit Inflatable Water Park will provide hours of fun for your kids. The dual slide feature lets kids race each other, while the splash pool area features a basketball hoop, waterfall tunnel, and water cannon. Added to the fun, a dump bucket at the top drops water to keep the slide wet and extra slippery. The Bestway Tsunami Wave Summit is suitable for kids aged 3 months to 8 years and is designed for outdoor use. It's made of durable PVC-coated polyester and takes just less than 3 minutes to inflate with the 110 to 1200 volts blower included in the box. The deck tower features mesh walls, while the climbing wall offers both hand grips and footholds, providing extra safety to the inflatable. the dual slides feature inflatable safety rails and soft water-filled cushions at the foot, providing a soft landing. At number 2, we have the Bestway H2O Go Mount Splashmore Kids Inflatable Water Park. Essentially a simpler version of the Tsunami Waves Summit, the Bestway H2O Go Mount Splashmore features just a single inflatable water slide and some of the same fun features, including the splash pool, climbing wall, and water cannon. They designed the Mount Splashmore for kids aged 5 to 10 years, with a maximum weight capacity of 600 pounds. The inflatable measures a large 14 feet in length, 9 feet in width, and 9 feet in height. It inflates even faster than the previous model, inflating in just 2 minutes. The 120 volts blower is included in the box, along with a storage bag and ground stakes. Similar to the Tsunami Waves Summit, the Mount Splashmore also features mesh walls at the deck tower. The Mount Splashmore also features hand grips and footholds on the climbing wall for additional safety. Unlike the other model, this inflatable water slide descends straight into the water of the splash pool. And finally at number 1, we have the Bestway H2O Go Turbo Splash Water Zone Mega Water Park. The Bestway H2O Go Turbo Splash offers a great combination of features between the Mount Splashmore and the Splash Tower models. Like Mount Splashmore, the Turbo Splash features a climbing wall with a single inflatable water slide leading down to a reasonably spacious splash pool. The Turbo Splash also features the popular water cannon that children love. While the design shape is more squared, the Turbo Splash also features a curved slide that allows parents to have a full view while supervising. Made of PVC-coated polyester, the Turbo Splash is both durable and soft. The slide features water-fillable pockets for extra stability, and they line the deck area with a safety mesh. The Bestway Turbo Splash inflates in 2 minutes, with the 110 to 120 volts blower included in the box as well. This model also features the dump bucket at the top of the slide, ensuring that the slide stays wet and slippery. Bestway has also included a convenient mesh shoe holder built into the side of the inflatable. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.